Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. We've got another Windows 10 build video to look at. This is 15014. It's available for PC and mobile. I've already done a separate video of mobile, and this is the PC version. Now, Microsoft say there's not a huge amount of changes to this build, but there are a lot of fixes. The last two builds, there's been quite a lot of bugs because they introduced a lot of new features, and this real build, I think, is cleaning up some of that. So, down here, and you can see that Cortana looks slightly different. And that's one of the main. That's one of the UI changes. The main change actually is only if you're in US English, which I've changed my region over. We've now got this book section in the store, so you can search and buy books from here, and you read them in Microsoft Edge. Now, I really didn't get this working very well when I was doing the video on the phone because of the region settings. But let me just see if I can get this to work. So you can search for a book. So there you find a book. And then you can click on buy. And I think because of the region settings I couldn't get this to work, but we'll see if it does work. Okay, so I can't get that to work, so I can't get it to buy. So you buy it through there, and then if you go to Microsoft Edge, there we've got books. So this is where you get your books. So you can read them through the EPUB format that you've seen that was on a previous build video. Go back and have a look at that. You can see I was using the EPUB videos, EPUB books on there. So that's a nice way of reading books. I'm surprised there's not a separate app, but then I guess if Edge can do it, well, why do you need a separate app? I guess they built all the DRM into it, and it's available from the store. So hopefully they'll have that available in the UK soon. I'm sure they'll have that ready at some point before they roll out the creators update. Okay, other changes. Microsoft called out this box which I've mentioned, and bigger text notifications for Cortana. So I did notice that actually Action Center looks slightly bigger when they're coming through. There we go. There you can see this is a bigger. There you can see this is a bigger update than the rest of the tag, and that's a new notification that come through. Okay, some of the other changes are in settings. So the accent color, you can pick a custom color. So let's go with about that. Okay, and I've chosen a custom color there. The quality of my custom color may not be to your liking, but at least you get the option. Another option is under storage. Let's have a look at that. Go back to settings. There's an option here to turn on how they automatic cleaner up disk space. That actually doesn't do all the things like remove previous build and things like that. It just gets rid of unused temporary files and items that have been in the recycle bin for more than 30 days. Good idea. I think that's good change. Some of the other changes, on the Wi-Fi settings, some of the settings have been merged together. I don't think when I looked at the phone bill, I didn't see a lot of changes on, but Wi-Fi, like paid Wi-Fi, there you go. That's in there, in with this main section as well. There's a new power slider as well. Now they've not activated the UI for this. They've only activated the UI. They haven't updated the functionality below this, but you can try it out. So effectively you can tune your PC. Now I don't think my device is supported. It says because that option is not coming up on mine. It may depend on your device type. This is Surface Pro 3 I'm recording this on, that's not there, but the UI will be there. Like I said, it's not hooked up anyway. Some of the other changes, mail is now pinned by default, and that'll be part of the creators update. They fixed an issue with some dialog boxes, like working on updates unexpectedly showing instead of a progress box. They fixed some desktop shortcut issues. The Control C now works in the command prompt. there's a whole list of minor changes that they've included, which I'll put in the release notes on thedigital-lifestyle.com. But those are the main visual changes anyway that you can see. I like the idea of the book, so I hope that gets into English, so I can UK English, so I can give that a try. I'll also try messing around with my account, see if I can do anything to help that, and I can try that maybe on the next build. And I've now got my nice custom purple colour as it is there. So thanks for watching this video. More video on thedigital-lifestyle.com.